Welcome back. So one of the commenters actually asked me how is the AI tools on the Notes app. So I'm going to briefly show you what you can do using the AI tool on the Notes app. So if we click on the AI tool, then we can write an article, or we should say we can generate an article. Write me an article of Henry Ford. Okay, so it's generating. Alright, so done generating. So you got the title, the main title in bold and bigger font, and have the subtitle. So far everything looks alright. Now let us try to generate a mind map out of this. Okay, just tap here, go to the AI tool, generate a mind map from this article. Okay, I won't call this exactly a mind map, but rather this is a summary in point form. Anyway, you can see that there are bullet points, there are numbers and stuff like that. But if you copy over everything and paste onto this Notes app, the formatting will be gone. Okay? See? The numbers are still there, but the point form will be gone, or the bullets will be gone. So this is not as useful as the one on Oppo Pad 5 global version, whereby the mind map is actually a real mind map. Now let me just, go back to this article and try to generate a table, a summary table. Generate a table. From this article. Okay, again, this is like a notes app kind of table. I'm not sure how it will look like. Let me just copy and paste. Not something very useful if you ask me. So it won't be exactly like a table, like what the Oppo Pad 5 global version can do. So yes, in conclusion, the AI tools on this Xiaomi Pad 8 is pretty limited compared to its competitors. However, again, I will say the overall package, from the hardware to the to the accessories and stuff like that, the price is worth it because this is a pretty powerful device regardless of the software. The software is still not too bad, you can still use it, but it is not as good as other competitors, and that's about it. Alright, if you want something simple, something basic in terms of note taking, then this one will do fine. In fact, I'm okay with this because most of the time I'm just doing handwritten notes. Alright, I seldom rely on AI tools to generate documents or articles because you know there's no use case for me. Alright, so I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.